Here I have JAECOO 5 and let me show you how to turn on ventilated cooling seats on JAECOO vehicles. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's open the AC control center by using this fan button. And now you've got access to the AC center. Let's choose here seats. And now let's switch from heating to ventilation. And as you can see, you can ventilate the driver side or the front passenger side. You can choose the different level of the ventilation. You can decide either you would like to ventilate 1 or 2 seats, and that's it. If you would like to heat instead of ventilation, you can go to the heating mode and also do the same thing. If you would like to disable everything, let's just tap disable button, and that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.